if you're driving in Ohio with just state minimum car insurance, you're one accident away from personal financial ruin. I see this all the time in my agency. People carrying the absolute lowest coverage because it's cheap, then realizing too late that $25,000 in liability doesn't even cover a hospital stay. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Ohio requires, why it's not enough, and what real coverage actually costs, so you're not stuck paying out of pocket. Ohio law requires just liability insurance, 25,000 bodily injury per person, 50,000 per accident, and 25,000 for property damage. That's it. No personal injury protection, no uninsured motorist coverage required, nothing else. Compare that to Minnesota. Like, we require uninsured motorist coverage and way higher minimums. Ohio keeps it bare bones, which keeps premiums down, but it also leaves drivers exposed. Here's the reality. Average emergency room visit is $3,500. Hospital admission runs $15,000 to $40,000. A surgery could be $30,000 to $150,000. If you hit someone and they spend a week in the hospital, your $25,000 is completely gone before they're discharged, and then they sue you personally for the rest. Clients ask me this every week. They're shocked when they realize how little $25,000 actually buys in a serious accident. Ohio doesn't require uninsured motorist coverage. About 13% of Ohio drivers have zero insurance. If an uninsured driver hits you and totals your car, without uninsured motorist coverage, you're chasing them down personally, and which almost never works out. You end up paying the repair bill yourself. It's such a common exposure in Ohio that I recommend everyone carry it, even though the state doesn't require it. Here's the good news. Ohio is genuinely affordable. Full coverage runs about $1,250 a year statewide, way below the national average of $2,000. That means upgrading from minimum to solid coverage usually costs you only $300 to $500 extra per year. You're talking about a few dollars a month for protection that actually matters. In my agency, I typically recommend 100,000 bodily injury, 100,000 property damage, and uninsured motorists to match. The biggest mistake I see is people carrying minimum liability and skipping comprehensive. Then a hailstorm hits and Ohio gets nasty hail, or deer season in rural Ohio, and they total their car. Comprehensive is 15 to 20 bucks a month if your vehicle is worth anything. Skipping it to save that money and then eating a $5,000 repair bill is the trade-off nobody wants